Let's just see what the real situation was at that end. Well, maybe the same applies to the Nation FC's keeper. Well, that's Sam Bownell. He will be the captain. Well, it's because Freddy Kasari will not be starting between the two sticks. And also because Razak Simpson is absent, it is going to be the big man himself, Robinson, on leading the goal scoring chat. Dr. Prosper Gum. Most very. He'll be hoping to keep it clean. So there we go for the first 45 minutes here at the Boise Lane Clay Sports Stadium. My name is Scott Vector, and alongside me in commentary position is Phil Annan. Well, quickly, that'll be the first attempt. Because for it, he receives it on the left-hand side. Oh, lovely idea to Colin, comes in and Oko Gripman had somewhere the danger. Yes, Amwa. There's Aqua. Oh, lovely idea. Aqua touch from behind, and that is a big free kick for the Porcupine Warriors. Interesting, and once again it's Robinson on who gets ready to defend it. Oh, that was the early on touch on him from behind. This is lovely. And comes up the wall, return ball, and absolutely fly high into. It's brought up front once again, but there's a bit of clash with two players going to account. That's Baba Yaya, who stays on the turn to watch. I've already gotten his name on the score sheet a few times already. It's right at the money in the 44 set. Brings. Oh, yes, Kotoko starting from the right-hand side once again. He'll have to come for it. Yes, but that's a pass attempt for Kotoko, and the next ball parried. And it's well taken care of by Robin. Nations really enjoying possession at the moment. And it's the man in the third shot who push it away. Gripman. A lot of twisting and turning, and again Kamal Rice at the right place. And it's coming up, will give it a bit of challenge, wins it. Here's another long run from Ba. Oh, that's a very heavy tackle from Harry Ansu. That right on his man. That was just a crazy tackle, isn't it? That's why most of the Kotoko fans have been a bit disappointed from the Sudanese player, but here they are, Kotoko. In Nations territory. Aqua managed to bring it away. It's 10 in. And it's parried away. That's a big hit. And Beku turns it away. "89 minutes and time is running out. Bassi, lovely work. Goes past 3, goes down. And the referee. Big Boris chasing that one from the far side, but it's been well taken care of by Ansu. But Big Boris wins it, turns it back. Suleimana, it's 2 on 3, and it's corner kick for Nations. Nations Kotoko for the second consecutive time, and that ends it. It's Nations victory at the Boise Lane Clay Sports Stadium. Kotoko. And it's been quickly taken from the left-hand side. That's another lovely cut brought in, and again fails to beat it. And Kotoko beginning to be 2-minute plate. And the atmosphere is absolutely charged here. That was a very scrappy moment. By Sam Downell. Picks his colleague. Has to be Lord Ahmad. In team Menu. Giving a bit of hot chance by Abdul Kareem. An advantage will stay with the home team.
Nations FC.
But this man, Kasim Mengel, enjoying Bownell, brings it up front, and as the Porcupines are trying to size this next inside, but here's a bit of danger coming in, and they need to be careful. Kamara picks it. Already played. And it's still battling between these two teams. And it's back by Aya and in Timeno. Looks to be in Timeno's shots. And comes off the world wreck. Giving a bit of activity. And struggling to find that space to hit the ball through. But they managed to do that. Asiero tests it in. And Oko Greatman hits it into the arms of his goalkeeper. Robin South. Faisal Chawate as Nafiu Suleiman gets ready to take it. It's a short one taken. Abrakwa decides to go for a grass cut. Oh my goodness. But Greatman failed to watch it. And Kamara picks it. It was a lovely attempt, but it's well picked up by Rapin. Gives the ball away. Just drumming out, hits it. Looking for Che, but Che is brought down. And once Zaisa. Well, it's a sweet story in Tamale, but in Obasi. As we approach there for the 45th minute mark. And Kotoko. Saka picks it, but he's got a man standing on him, and certainly there's a lovely idea. Carry brought across, who is in? Nobody. Saka picks it on the edge, turns it for grabbing up, twisting and turning. Yes, in team menu. The way still is limping a bit. But here was the challenge, rushing into his man. Yes, Pete Boris, and as a first hit up goal from the Ivorian International, and it's picked by Kamara. Yes, danger lacking. Saka. Babaya took his eyes off the ball for a moment by managing to keep it. Saka once again. The referee allowing play. This could be long hits. And it's blocked. Asiero's kick. Abrakwa whips it up front. Suleimana, he's got Chawate ahead of him, as well as Big Boris. He couldn't pick any of them. Greatman who stays on the ground. Oh, just look at that change. That is a bit hot, isn't it? From Suleimana. And the second one for the Nets. Have to see if their team have got anything to offer as far as this game is concerned. On the best of touch. That's Chawate! Nation! By 2 goals to nil at the Bossy Lankley Sports Stadium. And it's the former Akachi Osterman who's really shook himself once again in Obasi, and Kotok Starboy have already struck one already. The nations and their fans are enjoying. Oh, that was the moment Mohamed Kamara get that goal on a silver plate for Faisal Chawate to slot home. It's a quick 10 and a quick hit. Dr. Nate Prosper Ogum up on his feet as Samba O'Neill hacks onto it on the left hand side. And the flag is already up again, and Kotoko a bit disappointed with that call from the referee. Oko Greatman. Boahini. That's a lovely 1-2 work. Finds Boahini once again. Lifting it deep inside. Then Kamara needs to be careful. That's a bit dangerous. Oh, he's in! He's in! His Nexus win the first goal. And Gasu is Chawate. The campaign have just Nails it. Come on, I cannot believe it. And the fans in the stands cannot have their joy. You can't understand. It's on the ground. Ball is returning back to Kotoko's half. Camera. A bit of miscommunication between the centre back and the money to find his colleague Ablo. The fans becoming a bit worried anytime. Nations are approaching Kotoko's half. But here is Kotoko. Yeah. And we'll bring it back to Abetamwa. And it's brought down. That was a lovely movement, isn't it? And that was a strong challenge from Suleimana. Man. And on the left-hand side. He'll look to around long. Go past him, but again it's straight onto the for Boahini. Here's Alassane. We're sending it across and head up. Well, let's watch it well. Who's got in a goal? Here was Suleimana. Let's watch it. Let's not credit anybody's goal. It's rather Suleimana Nafiu instead. Who's got in a goal against Kotoko. Oh, that's a lovely hit from Suleimana, 25 years of age. I've played a couple of games for Nations this season. And already is getting his third goal of the season. Scored against Dreams FC. Did some against Adriana. And he has delivered a scintillating one against the Porcupine Warriors. Each perfect, well taken, and Kamara fails to hit it out. Finds the Nigerian. Wahine goes down, and it's Kotoko on that side. He got such a very sweet fit. And it's a bit difficult. Right, here's Dauda Saka hit it. Oh my goodness, how did he miss that? And that was a real bullet sent across. Well, just watch it. That's a big miss. Well, that was the area. Big chance for the Porcupine Warriors. And fails to pick Bassi. And Nation will race for it. Chaote kept that big again. Keep it. Switch it across on nearly Saka. Took his eyes off it. And Nation said to be careful. And he grabs it for the second time.